We're saving green by going green. We're saving green by going green.
Or cowbell.
We're saving green by going green.
Hey, good morning. Thanks for joining us again. My name is Theresa Flynn, Commissioner at the MWRD.
And I'm Dan Pogorzelski, also Commissioner at the Metropolitan Water Commission Store.
And we're joining you here again today to teach you a little bit more about household cleaners that are safe to use all around the house instead of those nasty aerosols and those fake fragrances. These will give you the extra boost and clean that you need. And this is brought to you by
the Friends of the Chicago River and the MWRD with this wonderful book. And what we want is to make it a little fun for you to get a boost with these wonderful natural products. Give you a little boost in your wallet.
So I'm here with Chef Boyardee here today, and we're going to get it cracking and get it cooking here. Simple things that you have around the house. So let me just tell you what you're going to need. You're going to need some baking soda, you're going to need some borax, a little bit of vinegar, and a whole gallon of water.
All right.
All right, you ready to get started?
Here we are. Now, here we have the vinegar.
We have our water sitting here ready to go.
What a wonderful fact. All of the water that we have here in our natural environment, continue with MrUselessFacts.org, has been around for billions of years. Dinosaurs drank this water.
And we clean it. And we clean it.
That's right. We are the water stewards.
All right, we're going to jump in. So we get, like I said, we have our water here. And now, Dan, we're going to do a 1/4 cup baking soda, if you remember your fractions.
All right. 1/4. All right.
Baking soda's right there.
Baking soda's right here. All right. Moment of truth. There we go.
All right.
Woohoo! All right. Pour it in the water.
Please do.
You got it.
And a 1/2 cup of borax. Now for the good stuff, the 1/2 cup of vinegar.
All right.
Liquid magic. So that's sitting in our gallon of water. Dan, would you give it a mixologist stir?
Wow, I don't know if you guys remember those Mentos, where they put the Mentos in the Diet Pepsi, right? Was it? Something like that. That definitely had that fizz there. A nice, interesting aroma. Looks like antacid. So all right, we gave it a mix.
And then we're going to put it in our handy dandy spray bottle. We're going to use one that we haven't used already. I'm going to grab it right behind you, Dan.
All right.
All right, we're going to watch Dan not pour this all over my hands.
Ooh.
Where's our little Pyrex dish?
Here it is. Handy dandy. All right. So step 1.
All right.
Wait, let me mix this around. Make sure we get all
Want to
of
bring
it
it
in
up a
here.
little bit more?
Yes. Give it a nice mix.
I'm better at making
DJ
drinks.
in like Flynn. All right, DJ.
Okay, ready?
Let's cut the wax.
All right. And we want you to use glass, not
That's
plastic.
right. So important because plastics are forever. And because of single-use plastics, we've been poisoning our environment. So what we want to do, we want to make sure we're as green as possible.
I'm green enough and
In later episodes, are we going to hear a bro by any chance?
yeah, I think we will.
Woo!
Works. Thanks for joining us here today. Thanks for cooking with Dan Pogorzelski, Commissioner, and Theresa Flynn. And Dan, you're going to play us out.
Thank you, Madam Vice President.
And again, more cowbell. The people have asked.
We're saving green by going green. We're saving green by going green.